Welcome to a Wolf's Guide to Citing Sources in Google Docs. Many of you are familiar with Microsoft Word's reference tools that allow you to cite a source and to generate a bibliography in MLA style. However, since we are a Google Apps for Education school, most of you are now using Google Docs to write your research papers, and there is no reference tab in Google Docs. So how do you cite your sources and create your bibliography in Google Docs? Let's first look at citing sources. Google Docs has actually made research and citing sources quite simple. To get started, go up to the Tools tab and choose Research. This will open up the Research tool pane where you can do your searching directly from Google Docs. You can search everything Google, just images, Google Scholar, quotes, dictionary, or tables. You are assigned a research paper on World War II history, and you're doing it on the bombing of Pearl Harbor. So let's search everything, and we are going to search for Pearl Harbor bombing. Your Google search is conducted, and you can click anywhere on the link to actually be taken to that web page. So here we are taken to the history site, which has a web page on Pearl Harbor. So you read through this and you decide that there's some things in here that you would like to cite. So let's go back to our page where I've already cited the information. You notice that underneath each of the listings in our results here, you have the option to preview, which will show you a preview of your page, to insert the link, which will insert a hyperlink into your page, and to cite. So if you wanted to cite your citation here, my quote, I would just simply have to point to my research pane and click Cite. The citation is made, and at the bottom of the page is the footmark citation. Citing the source within your paper is just the first step. The second step is to create a bibliography of all your sources. At first, Google Docs did not offer a solution for this, but now with the Easy Bib add-on, you can generate and insert your bibliography into your Google Docs papers. The first step is to get the Easy Bib add-on. To get add-ons, you go to the Add-ons menu and say Get Add-ons. If you don't have the Easy Bib Creator, all you have to do is point to it and it'll give you some information about the Easy Bib Bibliography Creator. If this is the one you want, you simply click Add Free and it will add it to your Google account. Now that we have the Easy Bib add-on, we're ready to start creating our bibliography. To do so, go to Add-ons, Easy Bib Bibliography Creator, Manage Bibliography. The Easy Bib task pane pops up where you can now begin to create your bibliography. Notice that you can create your bibliography in a wide variety of styles. There are several to choose from. The most common are listed first, MLA, APA, and Chicago style. We will be using MLA style. Also, you can see that you can create a bibliography entry for a book, a journal article, or a website. Now, we had looked up a website on World War II and Pearl Harbor on the History Channel, and we want to cite that source. So let's click Website. The first thing you need is the website URL. Now I have a tab open, so I'm going to go back to that website and I'm going to copy that URL. I can then go back to my Google document and paste that URL in here. And when I click Search, it will go and find that website, and I can just hit the Select button and the proper MLA citation for a website will be created for that site. You can also use Easy Bib to create a bibliography entry for a book. For that, you will need a title, ISBN number, or keywords. If you want to create a bibliography entry for a journal article, you would need title, keywords, or the DOI, which stands for the Digital Object Identifier. I've gone ahead and completed my listing of sources in the Easy Bib citation tool, so now I'm ready to add my bibliography to my document. To do so, make sure you are at the end of your paper and go Insert, Page Break. Once you have a new page, go back to the Easy Bib task pane and click Add Bibliography to Document. The Easy Bib Bibliography Generator will go through and create your citations for you in the correct format and put it on the page at the current location. That's it. I hope next time you need to create a bibliography you have no problems using the EasyBib Bibliography Creator.